guys, I'm going to show you how to make an angry cat calm down. And he scratched me like a million times. Get out of your little playhouse, honey. So right now he's really angry at me. See, he does not want me around him. See? He doesn't want me around him at any causes. So if you got a little mad cat, you gotta move them away from anything that they could grab or hold onto, such as a pole or any toys. You need to rub their arm or their head. That makes them calm down the most. But if it doesn't work, play a game with them. So I got this little toy that might calm him down a little bit. Might get a little bit of his stress out. Then slowly stroke his back. And he should calm down in a few minutes.